Shijiazhuang Rehabilitation Device Technology Company Limited, located in Shijiazhuang City. It has convenient transportation and beautiful environment, and is close to Shijiazhuang Railway Station and Shijiazhuang International Airport. My company is a high-tech research and development enterprise. The founder of my company is with more than 15 years of professional experience in manufacturing and selling the prosthetic and orthotic parts. We are a manufacturing entity, has its own CNC workshop, assemble workshop, and develop laboratory. Now my products main are prosthetic and orthotic parts and rehabilitation devices, such as the bionic hand, artificial foot, knee joint, hip joint, Swiss lock, etc. And now we have added rehabilitation products for the elderly, such as the nursing bed, shift unit, electrically wheelchair, the intelligence crutch, and kinds rehabilitation devices for stroke patient. Specially, we have our self-design and development laboratory and teams. All the designers have rich experience in prosthetic and orthotic lines. So we can provide professional OEM and ODM service to meet your unique needs, with high quality, good after-sales service, and best price. Now our products have exported to more than 50 countries of the world, such as the USA, Japan, Mexico, Italy, Middle East, and African countries. So welcome warmly all of the world's friends to visit my factory, through more communication and understanding, to establish a more long-term and stable cooperative relationship.